Shenzhen Grammy Smart Electric Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specialized in smart home and hotel products. It was founded in 2009 and was authorized by BSCI and QMS system in 2011. We have a professional technical development team and software engineers and hardware engineers. The product shall design, research and development, mode production and the final packaging. They are all completed in our company internally. We have enough ability to execute your OEM or ODM order. GLMZK supplies customized products such as smart home and hotel smart products. Communication protocol includes CAN bus 485, Z-Wave, Zigbee, KNX, SUBG private customized wireless protocol, can dock with Amazon or Google Intelligent Voice. Welcome to visit GLMZK and choose GLMZK products to create a better life together.